Hi! So in this video, I will be making a DIY baguette bag using old jeans. So the reason why I'm making this video is, first of all, I really love bags. So as you can see, most of my videos are all about bags. And second, kuripot po ako. I don't want to spend too much money buying things which I feel like hindi naman necessary and hindi ko magagamit as of the moment. So as much as possible, I'm trying to be more resourceful and creative, and I'm trying to think of ways on how I can make something na gusto ko without spending too much money or from using things which I already have. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. I have here 2 jeans. Hi, so I'm very sorry because I wasn't able to do the second bag anymore using the second jeans because our class already started. But aside from jeans, you could also use an old shirt or even an old scarf to make the bag. The first one is an old jeans na I turned into a shorts. So ito na lang yung natira. Ito yung sa legs part. So to make the bag, I have here an old baguette bag. I'm going to use this as template kasi I feel like okay lang naman yung size niya. It's just right. But I'm going to make the strap a bit longer. So I'll start by simply tracing the bag on the fabric and make sure to add an allowance so that when you sew it, it will not downsize. And then just simply cut it out. We will need 2 of these. And then measure the length of the sides of the bag. Make sure to add an inch or 2 allowance. And since the width of the sides of the bag is uneven, the strip of cloth for the sides of the bag should look like this. And just simply cut it out again. Then here I will just pin it first on the front part of the bag just so we can sew it properly. And then just carefully sew it together. Do the same thing for the other side. And we are done for the main body of the bag. But to prevent the edge from fraying up, we will be doing an overlock stitching. It will end up looking like this. And now we will be making the strap for the bag. And make sure to cut the fabric twice the width that you want to achieve. And you'll end up having a strip like so. Then what you'll do is fold it in half and then sew a straight line on the open edge. Once you've done that, flip the strap inside out. And I'll top stitch the strap for it to flatten. Then I will just attach the strap onto the main body of the bag. To hide the raw edge of the strap and avoid it from fraying up, all you need to do is to fold it inside. Then I'll do the X-box stitching because it's the best stitch for straps. Once the strap has been attached, we can now add the zipper. Then here I'm just pinning it first before sewing it. So here's what it looks like with the zipper. And since the only zipper that I have was too short for the length of the bag, I'm going to sew together the zipper and the excess fabric of the strap. And we're finally done with making the bag. So here are some close-up looks of how it looks like inside. And since I don't want it to look plainly black, I will be embroidering some Powerpuff Girls themed flowers. By the way, as for the embroidering, I just watched a YouTube tutorial on how to embroider basic flowers. So I'll just insert the link in the description box because she also explained it very well. Then I just added some rhinestones on the center of each flower so it doesn't look dull. And we're finally done with the bag. Be creative and feel free to design yours in any way you like. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you all enjoyed and I'd love to see you on my next one. Bye!